Leo had just moved in. A small place. Quiet. Cheap. The first night, he heard footsteps above him. But Leo lived on the top floor. There was no one above. Every night, same time. Same steps. Back and forth. Then one night, it knocked. From above. Leo knocked back. Once. Then. It knocked again. Faster. Harder. A crack appeared. Thin at first. Then spreading. Something looked through. Watching him. Then suddenly, silence. Leo took a step back. That's when he felt it. Under his feet. It was never above. The next day, the apartment was empty. A new tenant moved in. That night, they heard footsteps above them.